Hello everyone, Loves You is back. And for today's video, I'm gonna tour you guys. Isasama ko kayo sa gala natin for today's video. We're going to tour the beautiful islands of Cantilan. Cantilan, Surigao del Sur, or also considered as the cradle of towns. And Cantilan offers beautiful islands. I think 7 to 8 islands, beautiful islands here. And one of them is this place, the Rock Gym. As you can see, it's a white sand and the water is clear. So see that? I love rock gym. And there are water activities that you can do here aside of swimming. You can surf, kayak, and just a perfect place to unwind, to relax, to escape from a very, very busy world. So, yan. Those are their kayaks. And you can see the surfboards over there and that place there where you can register. And of course, if you're going to dine in, they have the cottages. And you can also sing here because they have the karaoke. And if you're going to plan for a overnight, they have also a tiny houses, rooms here, which is available for those who wanted to have a overnight. So you can see that guys, it's a perfect paradise. I enjoy the swing here while watching the people swimming and just so relaxing. Yeah, nagkakayak sila and the others are enjoy swimming. So you have a privacy here because it's not really totally crowded for today. Hi guys, we are here at the rock gym and it's kinda, the weather is not that friendly today. Like, it's a bit gloomy and it's drip dripping. But anywho, the advantage of that is if you're going to swim, no sunburns, right? Pag maligo kayo, hindi kayo magkaka-sunburn o mangitim agad or maano ba. Kasi it's really rocky. You should be careful kasi matutulis ang bato. It's kind of bit slippery, but you will enjoy swimming here like in this season because it's not that hot. There are 1, 2, 3 tourist boats out there, so it is just one of the beautiful island that Cantilan offers. So if you are interested to come here, kung interesado po kayo, pwede po ako na inyong gawing tour guide. I can arrange a boat, foods, or even an accommodation here. I can plan your trip here. So you can just come, contact me. It's low tide today. So we're able to pwede tayong maggala-gala dito sa mga gilid ng island with mga beautiful formations of rocks because it's low tide. But during high tide, I don't think so that we can come here because hindi pa tayo marunong lumangoy. We don't know how to swim. So it's just explore while it's low tide. Just beautiful though, the rock formations. It's just kinda a bit sharp, but you just need to be careful. The water is really crystal clear. Some enjoy kayaking, swimming over there. You can dine in here to their cottages, can karaoke with the family, friends, and your loved ones. So contact me now and visit Rock Gym Island. So yon, we had a great time here at Rock Gym. And it's time now to depart to explore the other island of Cantilan. Ayan, punta tayo sa ano, ibang isla na naman. So, it's just around here. So, hindi masyadong malayo, mga 3 minutes. Andoon na tayo sa ibang isla. So, let's go to the other island. Oh my God, the water, guys. You can see that. It's very deep. Hindi tayo marunong lumangoy. We don't know how to swim. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for the water spots in the camera. So late that I noticed it, guys. From the first island, there are water spots and I didn't notice it. And I'm trying to remove it, but still there are a lot of water spots. And now, sorry for the water spots. You can see clearly the place that we're going to because of it. And anywho, we are in Libtung Cove. Ayun, you can see that. Those are cottages. May cottages sila and you can also enjoy the kayak here, the water activities. But we are not docking into their island. We just pass by to see how beautiful the Libtung Cove. And the driver says we can go to the other place to really enjoy the rest of the day, the rest of the time to swim. So there are still people, you can see that they're kayaking. And the water is even so it's deep but it's clear. Alright, let's go to the other island and enjoy swimming. So those are islands as you can see there. See the water? You can see still the bottom. Even it's so deep. Oh my god, the water spots is crazy. And for the information, the boats here, it depends how big and where you are departing from. You can depart from Cantilan Port or Consuelo. So if you are from Cantilan, then it's way far from here. And Consuelo is way closer from Consuelo Port, and the boats range from 1,500 pesos up to 4,000. It depends how big the boat is because it depends upon the capacity. So the bigger it is, then the expensive it is, and it's a whole day tour already. You can ask the driver to just leave you at the island and come back at time you wanted, or they can wait for you. So it's your free time. It's for you to decide if you want them to wait, what time they're going to pick you, drop you, or whatever. So, oh my god, that water spot there. But you can see, guys, those Virgin Islands of Cantilan around the corner. And from this view, you can see already the white sand over there that we are feeding. So we are looking for a place, for an island where we can enjoy swimming, which is um, very, very safe for us that don't know how to swim. Charles. No. They're saying the Casa Rica is good, but there's a lot of people swimming over there. So that island, what I'm saying is that island, the driver says it's a very good place to swim, but you can see there are boats docking waiting for the passengers which enjoy swimming, and you can see there are people. So we're trying to find other island that we can and enjoy swimming. And so bad, the water spots were becoming more and more. So here we go. We are here in one of the islands. So let's swim and enjoy, explore the island. They stop already. So because we are here and we are just waiting, naibaba nila yung ano, daanan, yung hagdanan. We're just waiting that they're going to drop the ladder so that we can go down. At andito na tayo. Diyan na kita diri magpanaw-panaw anay kita deserta maligo. Let's explore first. Let's have a walk first before we're going to swim. Let's find some interesting in this island before we go swimming. It's very low tide. You can see the water and we can see that there's no one here but us. It's a private island, our day to day. This island is ours for today's video. So you can see that. Just exciting rock formations since it's low tide, and you can see it's very clear. The water is very clear. The weather is fair, good, and just enjoy yourself. And from here, guys, you can see the Consuelo Port. Across that is Consuelo Port.
Tapos unong man nimo sa pagkaon. Tapos kilawon.
Those are sea cucumbers that they are going to kilaw. So, anyhow, we're going to swim, guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to PayPal me for more videos to come. Bye. See you next year. Loves you.